Gilak na. May gilak ka ha. Ayaw ko na. Gilak ka.
Ang sama rin.
Mga napano yan.
Hi guys! Char! Welcome to Ruby's Vlog! Tonight's video, we're gonna eat Shin Ramyun. Long Shim. I don't know what's the... Long Shim. What do you call this?
Korean noodles.
Korean... Samyang!
Oh yes,
Yeah.
that's a samyang.
Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Good evening!
Good evening.
For tonight's video,
For tonight's video,
we're gonna eat
we're gonna eat
Shim Ramyun.
Shin
Noodle
Ramyun.
soup means
what's that? Shin Ramyun.
So,
Noodle
it's not,
soup.
it's
Make
not,
me soup. No,
it has so,
you make like a pancit canton.
why is this noodle soup? Miso. Sabi nila, mas spicy to. So, I'm gonna try this and Mama will help me to eat char. So, we prepared milk. This is condensed, but my brother get the label because he wanna eat kono. So, now, I'm gonna boil this. So, this
So
is given
sobrang
by
hang.
Tita July.
Hey,
What's
couple
your-
of milk, guys.
What's your YouTube account?
What?
July. What's your
Marvetralan.
Marvetralan.
Yeah.
So thank you, Tita, for giving me this char because she wanted me to try this on because it's spicy. Yeah.
Oh.
And I saw Yana's vlog. I don't know basta sila kay they ate samyang if I'm not
Samyang.
wrong. So their reactions is so we've also prepared milk. This is condensed milk.
Yeah,
Only
I
Milo.
forgot to buy
So
powder milk.
this is
I bought
condensed.
only Milo.
My brother get the label because he wanna eat the condensed. Yeah, but it's not good for him because he's high on sugar. I think because if she has one, oh, I've gone too far. So, so I'm gonna boil this. Nag-check ka sa mo ni Mama.
You're gonna cook that.
Ay,
Yes.
this one. I'm sorry.
Kala ko ito yung i-cook mo.
So,
Hindi pala, yan pala.
check ka sa mo, Mama. Ba?
Chika, chika. Okay? Say hi, BBRR. You stay there beside me. So, guys, my daughter cooked the samyang noodles. And, abangan natin yung mga face expression kapag kumakain na ng spicy noodles. And how about you, baby? You wanna join to eat the spicy noodles? No, why? Why? You don't like? Why you don't like the spicy? Because you cried?
Hi guys.
You
I'm
cry?
still boiling the water.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Yeah, because
Wala gunas magtagalog at Bisaya, mag-bash din sila. Mag-bot din sila, ganyan i-istorya.
it's just that I'm
Unsay imong ganahan istorya, hala sige go. Kay Bisaya ka, magininsi ka.
Dishes with your own face.
Tagalog.
Yun, chum yan, chum.
Sige, nagininsi ka na dyan. Ito.
Mama, sa pag mag-live ka, ma.
Medyo pag mag-live ko, why?
Amo, at-ataw ni mo.
Mamutag ba nga ho? Nga naman mamutag.
Mahangan, mahangan ka ba?
Ugmangan ka, muhila ka.
Nakatawa.
Mukatawa sa kahang. guys kung ano yung mga itsura ng ano namin guys. Dagway.
Mukha.
Mukha ni BBRR.
Meanwhile,
Oh, it's ready. I mean, we're still cooking the put the noodles in here because it's already that ready. So let's get ready to rumble the noodles here.
meanwhile,
Ano ba ito?
Try.
Try.
You wanna try?
No.
Go, try it on. It's yummy.
Inita pa ni.
No, it's not.
Humuta, uy. It's very bango. Smell pa lang. So spicy na. Lami. Hindi.
Pero,
Sige ka. Diyan ako. Magsudong sa kunimo.
you know, I eat chili so that I...
Oo, you
it's
carry ra na nimo kay kaon magsili.
Mabigyan mo na. Mabigyan mo
Yeah, it's
na.
spicy but it's yummy.
Mabigyan mo
Try.
na.
I try guys. Nag-toothbrush na rin ako guys. Samot ng makanikahang ron. Agay kahang. Warang hangan na ni ay.
Yeah.
Ang kining to ng luha. Agay hangan na ni.
Let me mama try it.
Ano, sao na lang ka ni Ron. Maghilak sa koron.
Hello guys.
Wait.
Alam ko. Hindi na lang kumakaon. Ante. Oh, yung anak ko nga guys, kain po siya ng sili. Paano na kaya? Kung ako ang mukhaon dani. Agi, jarang hangan jud ini. Uy, jarang hangan ka jud. Pila na akong hangan guys, bisa gubo katilaw. Mahadlok naman nila akong kumakaon.
Ano na ibon?
Ijarag mga sili, oh.
Aba?
Ate, di na lang kumukha na ni Ate B. Mura ko gisilutan.
a few moments later.
Hanggang kayo, kambay kag sili. Yan ang nagtunom ko ni Muno. Gawas na ganyan mo singot og luha niya mukha ang kag sili jud nga. Sili?
Try this on. In the first taste that you're gonna do, it's not that spicy, but if you eat a lot, it's more spicy.
Look at guys, I try, but it's very liit.
It beats my tongue. Ah.
Kaya urat ka.
Dara. Agay. Mama, ka gisang kahang. Lami siya pero kahang.
Hilak ko na. May hilak ka ha. Ayaw pa hilak. Nagkahilak.
Asa na ra? Asa na ra si Mugi ko ang gibli. Kalag lang na nagkatawa.
You wanna try An?
Alian, lamian.
Lami.
Gamay lang, gamay.
Cool!
I try it again, guys. Nasulitan ko sa hang. Huwag kaya nakagagaro. Again, ano, try it. Ano ba ito? Saan ka nag-tapad?
Hilak na. Ay, kahilak.
Milk, please.
Buwak na.
Abi, natul nga agahan. Dani ha.
Yung lagi nagibutang tubig. So we can't dare to finish this all because it's so spicy.
Lahat na. Buwatan ka na ha.
I'm a fan of spicy foods, but
Lami
it's
siya.
spicy.
Lami. In fairness guys, lami gyud siya pero hang. Ngano kani? Ay hila. Dapat tian-an.
I'm gonna make it. Ayaw kong gamay hangod ko. Ano kong ito?
Ay, katawat eh. Huwag ka na luoy. Ano ka ma? Ay, lagi kahilak.
Tubod ang laway.
Ay, lagi katawa rin na.
Alam niyo ba guys, habang kumakain kami ng spicy canton, grabe guys, yung anak ko, yung ano niya, pinagpawisan siya ng ano marami. Ipaningot og daghan, anja, aga ko, kinuko. Nagto, agahong luha, ganag, ning gawas. Anja gahong sipon, ning gawas. Excuse me sa mga nikaon diha. Excuse me sa mga kumakain dyan. Basta para din akong nabingi sa kaanghang guys. Anghang talaga yung ano, samyang.
Nga ang pipiliin, panalo ka na mati, pwede mo pa kong alipin. Ikaw naman ang laging nasa panaginip ko, ayoko nang itigil to. Araw-araw kitang aalagaan, laging sa She makes me slip, it gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me wet. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, ikaw lamang, don't stay.